Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. I am back with another Clash Royale video, and in this video we are going to talk about the huge nerf that the giant skeleton has received. A lot of players are already saying that the card might be dead, but I personally feel that it is way too early to reach to such a conclusion. I have few clips that will justify whatever I am saying. Before going into the clips guys, I just want to show you the stats of the giant skeleton. So here you can see the death damage has been drastically reduced and it is just 644 now. Also here you can see the complete changes that has happened to giant skeleton and the reason behind it. Here you can see the death damage has been reduced by 54%. The reason behind is they say the giant skeleton is a very low skill card defensively and it can just wipe out an entire push. Also now they have increased the damage so that it can one hit the goblins and the princess and can reach the tower a little more easily. So here is the first clip guys, and you can see the giant skeleton was not even at half of his health when it reached the tower, but still you can see the amount of damage that he has dealt to the tower. From 3300 the tower is down to 700. So this is what I am talking about guys. This might be the thing that will keep the card alive. We have to see how it goes, and we all know that it is very difficult for the giant skeleton to reach the tower, but after the update, before testing, I cannot be sure that this card is dead. So also about the death damage, in that scenario this card is completely killed, and you can see this in the upcoming clips. Here you will see the interaction of a giant skeleton with the Sparky. Although giant skeleton was level 12 and the Spark is level 13, I don't think that is of a lot much to be concerned about. You can see after the detonation of the bomb, the Sparky has more than half of its health, and that is something guys. The death damage has been reduced a lot. Here also you can see that it could not even kill the flying machine. So this is something to be worried about guys. The card is not very good now defensively. Here also you will see the interaction of the giant skeleton with the healer. Here also you can see that the healer has not conceded a lot of damage and it is still more than half of its health. So this is something to be concerned about, and that is why a lot of players are saying that the card might be dead. But as I said, this is too early to jump to a conclusion, and we should give some more time for the card to settle down. If after some time we feel like the card is not really doing good, so I have a few suggestions that can be done with this card that will make it a lot more competitive and viable. The first thing is that they can reduce its elixir cost from 6 to 5. That will be huge. And the second suggestion is that they can increase its health point a little, so that it will become a lot more likely that it reaches the tower and deals some damage over there. The third thing is that they can increase the death damage a little more, so that it can at least take down the cards like Musketeer and other similar things, so that it can be a little more viable defensively, whereas in the current scenario its defensive power is completely lost. I am also planning to make my next video in Hindi, so do tell me if that's a good idea or not, or whether I should do it or not. And that is all for the video guys. Do tell me what do you think about this nerf, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.